Peregrine falcon, the fastest bird in the world. Intro, midnight to 0:30. Dramatic music playing. King of the skies, emperor of speed, and crowned ruler of predatory birds, this is the peregrine falcon, a bird unmatched in flight, with a hunting technique that is one of nature's finest displays. Today, let's take a closer look at the many facets of this extraordinary bird's life. Part 1, Introduction, 0:30 to 3 o'clock. The peregrine falcon, commonly known in Urdu as Shaheen-e-Shireen, or simply Shaheen, is recognized as the fastest bird in the world. Its scientific name is Falco peregrinus, meaning wandering falcon. It belongs to the raptor family Falconidae. This bird is found on almost every continent, except Antarctica. It's known as a global predator, thriving in cities, mountains, plains, and even coastal regions. Part 2, Physical Structure, 3 to 6 o'clock. The peregrine falcon is a medium-sized bird, typically measuring 13 to 23 inches in length with a wingspan of about 30 to 47 inches. It has a strong body, pointed wings, and a distinctively curved beak. Its eyesight is incredibly sharp, allowing it to spot prey from great distances. Research shows that a peregrine falcon's vision is around 8 times better than that of a human. Part 3, Flight and Speed, 6 to 9 o'clock. The peregrine falcon is considered the fastest bird on Earth. During a steep dive, known as a stoop, it can reach speeds of up to 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour. This flight is not just fast but astonishingly accurate. It uses this high-speed dive to catch prey midair with incredible precision. Part 4, Hunting Technique, 9 to 12 o'clock. The peregrine falcon hunts with remarkable skill. Usually watching from a high perch or soaring in the sky, once it spots its prey, it dives at breakneck speed and strikes it midair. It primarily hunts flying birds like pigeons, doves, sparrows, and various ducks. The goal is to hit the prey in midair so it crashes to the ground, unable to recover. Part 5, Habitat and Nesting, 12 to 1500 hours. Peregrine falcons nest on high mountain cliffs, tall buildings, or bridges. Their nests are called eyries. The female typically lays 2 to 4 eggs. Both the male and female take care of the eggs, and after about 30 days the chicks hatch. Within about 6 weeks, they are ready to fly but stay with the parents to learn hunting skills. Part 6, Reproduction, 15 to 1700 hours. Peregrine falcons usually breed at the start of spring. They form pairs and often stay together for many years. They return to the same nesting sites annually to reproduce. Their courtship includes aerial displays, specific calls, and sometimes the male offering food to the female during flight. Part 7, Natural Threats and Dangers, 17 to 2000 hours. Though the peregrine falcon is a top predator, its chicks and eggs can be threatened by owls, eagles, or other predators. In the 20th century, the chemical DDT caused a dangerous decline in their population. It weakened eggshells, preventing chicks from hatching. Fortunately, with a ban on DDT and conservation efforts, their population has recovered significantly. Part 8, Urban Life, 20 to 2200 hours. Today, peregrine falcons have adapted to urban environments. Tall buildings mimic cliffs, and cities offer plenty of prey like pigeons. Many cities have installed cameras near their nests, allowing people to watch their lives in real time. This aids scientific research and raises public interest and awareness. Part 9, Fascinating Facts, 2200 hours to 25:00. Did you know the peregrine falcon pulls back its talons before striking prey to maximize impact and kill instantly? This bird is found in major cities like New York, London, and Dubai. In ancient times, it was the most prized bird in falconry. The Shaheen is also Pakistan's national bird, symbolizing high ideals in Allama Iqbal's poetry. Part 10, Symbolic Significance, 25:00 to 28:00. The peregrine falcon is not just a biological marvel but a symbol of strength, pride, bravery, and freedom in many cultures. Especially in the Muslim world and in Pakistan, It holds deep spiritual and philosophical value. For Iqbal, the Shaheen represents a youth who is independent, fearless, and determined to soar high and choose his own destiny. Closing 28:00 to 30:00. The peregrine falcon is more than just a bird, it's a creation of nature that combines speed, beauty, intelligence, and skill. Its life teaches us that with hard work, preparation, and clarity of purpose, we too can reach our highest potential.